Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I will share, my experience of seeing spirit baby clearly from my naked eyes. So I experienced this when I was going through black magic, which was on peak. So I saw a baby in complete white light form walking on the floor. Then I told to myself, it's divine entity in a baby form. So this was the first time when I saw this spirit baby through naked eyes, wherein I was already going through a lot of darkness. It was dark night of the soul, and because of black magic, I was experiencing a lot of things in my life, lot of negative things, a lot of dark things, on which I have already shared video in detail. So as I was worried because of the presence of dark entities in my room, in my house that time, and also on the body, I can say. So that was the moment I started thinking probably it was done through divine itself. Then that I started seeing that spirit baby, that too in my room. Another divine entity experience I had, wherein I my grandmother hugged me while I was sleeping. So I thought maybe it is another dark entity, but then I felt the presence, but still I was scared because I was already going through a lot. So these things were revealed after my spiritual awakening, but I knew I started looking at my past experiences, what I have gone through when I was experiencing black magic. So these things have actually helped me after my awakening. So as I was worried because of dark entities and other painful experiences because of black magic, so that time I reminded myself, no, whatsoever I am going through right now, this black magic and all, it is all part of my 10 years game, the one I have played. And time was still left, few years were left by that time. So this I experienced, I guess in 2017 or 2018 itself. So I told to myself, no, I should not be worried about it, because this is what I'm supposed to experience, so that I understand how humans use black magic for what all purpose, and how I can save myself and others. That was my intention, and that was the reason that it was so important for me to go through all these experiences. Then after this I have several experiences about this spirit baby after my spiritual awakening, that I will share in upcoming videos. And few things I forgot to mention in my previous video, where I have shared my experiences of black magic. So since childhood I had habit of doing a lot of fasting, because fasting helps a lot. It helps to cleanse negative dark energies, and it also creates power within yourself, within your body and in your aura. So because of health issues I was not able to do fast, and then I stopped it completely, because I did not want to force any spiritual practices, as my health was not supporting. Another thing which I experienced because of black magic, there were dark circles, which I knew that this can never be on my face, because I have a spiritual gift, so I can never have black the dark circles. And also other things, I was experiencing that my lips were becoming dark and dark day by day. So that was a concern, but then as it was happening all because of black magic. So because I know that I have a spiritual gift, I can heal anything when it comes about illness, or removing any sort of things from your face, in any sort of problem, like acne or dark circles. But I knew that I can never have dark circles, wherein I have been working into night shift for so long. Another thing, since my childhood I had so many questions and doubts about spirit black magic. Also I saw several people who were possessed by dark entities, negative spirits. They used to behave in a different way, like shouting and plucking their own hairs. So I was thinking, if I am going through black magic, wherein spirits kept on telling me this was happening, whosoever was doing it, they were giving me this this message. So I was questioning if it was really happening with me, wherein I was experiencing a lot of things. I had so many evidences. So why I do not experience those things, what I have seen people who had those entities, and they were shouting, plucking their own hairs, several other things I saw them doing it. I was, thinking that this thing might happen or should happen if I'm going through all these things. So that was the reason, I delayed a lot this black magic removal, because I needed several other, evidences. In my religion, there are a lot of spiritual practices done in groups. So whenever I saw there were people who were in groups, doing invocation of gods and goddesses, for long hours. So there I saw a few people always, who were possessed by entities. So by that time they were behaving normal, but the moment this invocation of gods and goddesses started, they started behaving weird. So that was, I had another question. During my childhood, I was in 7th standard and I went to my village during summer vacation along with my mother. It was a wedding of my cousin. So one day my mother became ill all of a sudden, and it's been 2 months. Doctor medicines were, not helping her. Then my father took her to another hospital which was so far away from our village. And when doctor asked my mother to lie down on the bench, she, all of a sudden, suddenly, the bench along with the mother started shaking very violently, and the doctor got scared. After seeing this, the doctor said, he had never seen such a case, and he cannot help her in this. So when they returned back to our village, then my grandfather said, let's go to the exorcist, a person who looks into these entities and spiritual practices. So there was a lady, a female, who was approx 40 to 45 years of age, so we called her at our place, wherein the moment she came, so till now mother was staying, normally like other person, was living under the veil like a normal person, normal ladies. But the way, the moment this, lady comes, who was about to, remove this entity, all of a sudden my mother started, shaking her head and opened all her hair and started, stroking her head. And that was the weird thing. So I felt bad, but then at the same time, I was also laughing. And I was also watching all this, and I was feeling sad that since last 2 months, this evil spirit was, acting like a normal person in a human body. It was trying to hide so that nobody could get to know, and by that time she will end the life of my mother. That was the intention of the spirit. Then that lady who was talking to this spirit then did some sort of ritual, or asked several questions, and then this entity was removed. There were several things which this entity told. Why did she come on her body, and where did she come, what was her intention, several things. She this it was again a female entity. So when this entity said, like, she will never come again on the body of my mother, then this entity picked up a holy water in her hand and swore that she would never come upon the this mother again. But by that time I realized that these entities actually believe and follows these oath and swore thing, but I have seen humans lying about it most of the time. So till the time this entity was there in my mother's body, she lost a lot of weight and almost every muscle was visible. So that was the thing, like entities always try to hide their identity. They act, they always act. They do not want you to get to know about themselves. Otherwise you will like a human being will always want to remove them. Why would you let any negative entity stay in your house or in somebody's body? And after that incident, nothing like this ever happened to my mother, and she continues to wear a protective amulet. And as myself have seen how much entities believe in and follows oath, but humans can take false oaths at any time. So like this, I had several questions and doubts about spirit, entities and black magic. And all of my doubts were clear once I completed this 10 years of journey. Also I had other realizations because of being a twin flame. This is my personal experience, that being or because of a twin flame, dark entity can never enter in your body. It can never enter, but yes, they can definitely stay and affect your aura, and that's where your health gets affecting and you start feeling negative emotions. So but when it comes about other human, they can always enter in the body of a human, but it is not possible with a twin flame. This is my personal experience. I do not know about other twin flames, but it was something surprising, and I was also happy because the way I have gone through and experienced black magic, I was forced to end my life several times, wherein I was able to stop this. Again, I had divine protection that time also, but these were different experiences which I experienced. So because of being a twin flame, the dark entities of other world were attacking me a lot since my childhood. So I had to understand how to stop them. And after my spiritual awakening, there was a realization that because of being a twin flame, these dark entities are trying to end your life, and they do not want you to know your own self, the real self, that too since your childhood. So I have already shared so many videos on monitoring spirit and other sort of negative entities which are attacking real twin flames, that too since childhood, and the way they try to stop you and create toxic patterns in your life when you start doing your spiritual practices. So I have shared detailed videos on this. So this was my experience which I actually wanted to share. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.